Hello, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage MotoStyle channel. What we got here today is a Nitro car. We're going to show you how to start your Nitro RC car. We have your Kyosho Inferno 1/8 scale. Let's start, and I show all the details how to do that. Now start, take the body of your vehicle, put it aside. You have to get your igniter, and the igniter need to be charged. If not, it will never going to work. Also, you have to fill up your fuel tank, make sure it's closed good, and then turn on the switch on your vehicle, turn the switch on the remote, give it a second to bind, make sure it's working, make sure your throttle is working. It's very important to see the throttle working. The throttle gonna run over here. You need to see it's closing and opening. If not, you're not gonna get any reaction. Now what you need to do, you put everything aside, you grab your vehicle, push it down, put your finger on the exhaust right here. What you do, you're going to clog the exhaust in order to create back pressure so fuel will run into the carburetor. So you can pinch it, or you could just put your thumb around it and give it a couple pull. And then you want to see fuel going up. I did not see any fuel going up. I'm gonna do it again. I'm still not happy with it. I'm gonna open a little bit the throttle and do that. Now the fuel got in, and I know that I have fuel in. Now after you do that, you're ready to start pulling your pull start. Now when you pull the pull start, so you don't break it, a lot of people pulling it like a lawnmower. Grab your pull start, pull it first as far as it can go, okay? Put your hand, open it up, bring it there, and this is where you stop. You know, never pull more than that, and put your chest above it. So when you pull, if you pull more, you're gonna hit yourself. This is step one. So now when it's ready, you're gonna take your igniter. Make sure you have the remote near you. Make sure that you set up the idle the right way. You're gonna put it in, the igniter. Make sure it's locked. So the igniter, you press it in, and it will just open. Press it, lock into place. Make sure you have a piece of paper or paper towel or newspaper on the floor here, because it's gonna shoot some fuel. Now, first thing you want to do is give it a pull and see if it's resisting. Then it's mean that it's gonna start right away. Now it did not start right away, and I already know what the problem. This thing is a little bit weaker, so I'm gonna give a couple more start, see if it's not, and we're just gonna go and charge it. Make sure it's locked good. No, it needs to get charged. I'm gonna go charge it and come back. Okay, so we charge our igniter, and we're gonna go for it again. We're just gonna put it back in. Now you charge all the way. Hold the car good, and it will start right away. Wait about 30 seconds, and then remove it. Make sure this is back to spot, and then throttle. It's working. Now you have to leave it running like this for 2 full gas tanks. You have to let it run 2 full gas tanks, and then you have to run 2 full gas tanks walking speed, and then 2 full gas tank in jogging speed, and then you're ready to go. So right now it's shut off because it's brand new, and you have to do it a couple times and set up the idle in a point that it will keep running. Let's do that one more time and then run it on the floor real quick. I'm just gonna show the speeds that I recommend to run it so it's gonna stay. Let's do it again. Again, put it on. Make sure you do that energetic when you pull, and look. Start. Remove this. Lift the car, a little bit throttle. And the car is working. You're gonna play with the car that slow for 2 fuel tanks, just to let it burn. And this is after you're gonna do 2 fuel tanks of standing still. You're just gonna go slow and what you see is the fuel coming out of the vehicle. A lot of fuel coming out of the exhaust, and then it shut off. We're just gonna start it again and repeat it. And this is very simple how you run the RC car. When you shut it off, this should be a little bit warm, not too hot, and you're gonna have oils coming from here. This is very simple how to start RC car. Nitro, it's almost related to any vehicle possible. When the vehicle is brand new, it's gonna shut off at you a couple times until it's broken in, then it will work perfect. If you have any question, comment on the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.